Friends, now we are going to find how to find the square root of non-perfect square numbers. Till now, we learned how to find square root of perfect square numbers by using three methods. First one is prime factorization method, the very basic method that everyone should know. Next one is the standard method that we have learned in our school level to find the square root of a perfect square number. That is nothing but division method, long division method also some people call it. Now afterwards I told you a technique, a fast technique, a shortcut kind of technique to find the square root of a perfect square. That technique obviously saves your time in the examination hall. Shortcuts are always used to save the time in the competitive exams, but before that we know that we should know the conventional methods like prime factorization method and long division method. They are compulsory. We cannot avoid them, okay, because they will, if you get any doubt in the shortcut technique whether my answer is correct or not. So prime factorization method and long division method are the only methods that can check the answers and that can give you the correct decision, right? Now my dear friends, now coming into this section, this is nothing but square root of non-perfect squares. Square root, they are not perfect square numbers, still you are going to find perfect square root of that number. Decimal, definitely you are going to get some decimals. So we cannot after the point we cannot find the values for 10 digits or 20 digits, but after the point we will find the value for 2 or 3 digits. At least 2 digits we will go after the point. Friends, I am going to find out the square root of 250. Everybody knows 250 is not a perfect square because 15 square is equal to 225. Immediately 16 square you will get 256. So 250 is in between 225 and 256. So obviously you will be getting the answer between 15 and 16 only. So the answer will be somewhere in between and 16 only you are going to get. So exactly after the point, 15 point something you are going to get. So now I am going for the method. So obviously 1 ones are 1. So I am bringing down 2 numbers at a time. So double of this quotient you have to write. By putting what number, this you know already, whatever the number I put here also you should put the same number, multiply and write the number here. In the case of perfect squares, remainder will be 0. But here it will not be like that. You will get some points. After the point, what we have to do, that also I will be explaining you. I think if I put 5 here and multiply with 5, 25 into 5, 25 into 5, that will become 125. That is coming very close to 150. 25 into 5, that is 125, that is 25. Okay, now it is not coming as 0. So we have downloaded all the numbers, still we got some reminders. So there itself we can know that 250 is not a perfect square. Logically and mathematically, if you want to confirm whether that 250 is not a perfect square, you are getting a remainder 25. Now what? Now you have to put a point because decimals are coming into the picture. After putting the point, immediately you have to put 2 zeros here. Every time, zeros also 2 zeros only. The square root procedure is linked with bringing down 2 numbers at a time. So I am putting a point here and I am putting 2 zeros here. So now again, double of this number. What is double of 15? 30. 30, right? So by putting what number, this 300 and something will come close to. Clearly I can know that 300, 8s are 2400. So approximately 300 into 8 is equal to 2400. So if I put 8 here, so here also 8, 308 into 8, that is 24. So that is nothing but 64, and 8 zeros are 0, that is 6, 24, 2464. Friends, 2464 is coming. 2464 is coming. Okay, so now clearly we can see here 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So afterwards, so 36 is the remainder. 36 is the remainder. If you want to extend it again, so again you have to put 2 zeros. Again you have to put 2 zeros. Okay, so again you have to put 2 zeros. Now again double of this number. What is double of 158? 316. 316. So if I put something here, it will become 3000 number, right? So obviously it should be 1. So here also it is 1, here also it is 1. So 3161. It is coming because if you write 2 here, so into 2 karne se, it will become 6000. So that is going beyond 3600. So I am getting some answer like 9. So here it is 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 6, 3, 5 minus 1, 4, 439 or something like this. So approximately two numbers are enough. If you want to go further, again put 2 zeros, take the double of this 1581, you can do it. So I think up to two digit sensitivity is enough after the decimal. So 15.81. Already I said to you, this value is coming somewhere in between 15 and 16. So it is coming as 15.81. So put a point and afterwards start putting 2 zeros. Then only you can find, that is the procedure for finding the square root of a non-perfect square number by using the long division method. So obviously I said the answer lies between 15 and 16. Clearly we know why. So the answer for this square root of non-perfect square number 250 is 15.81. So approximately you will get the same answer if you check in the calci also. Now we will check for another number. Now friends, we are going to find the square root of a non-perfect square number, that is 1500. So I am dividing, taking from the units place as we know. Now first comes 3 here, 3 3s are 9, remainder is 6, immediately 2 zeros. These 2 zeros are actually in the number only. No need to put, after the point anyway we will put 2 zeros, but here 2 zeros are already in the number. So I will write the double of this number, 6. So by putting what number it comes close to this number, I think it can go up to 8, because 68s are 560 it is coming. I am checking with 8, 68 into 8. So that is 64, 6 8s are 48, 48 plus 6, that is equal to 544. So I think 68 here, 3 8 here, 544. 544, this is 56, 56 is coming. Okay, now what? Now we know definitely we are going to get some decimals. Put a point here, and 2 zeros are coming here. Put a point here. Now what is double of 38? What is double of 38? Double of 38 is 76. Am I right? So 76. 76, my dear friends. Here 76, which number we can go? So clearly 700, if you put some number here, it will become some 700 number. So I think if we put 7 times, 700 into 7, it is coming as 4900. So I think easily we can go up to 7. 767 into 7 if I take. So this is 9, this is 449. 6 7s are 42 plus 4, 46. 7 7s are 49 plus 3, 5369. So 5369. So this is 7. So 1 and 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Okay. Now again, if you want to further continue, so 23,100. So 387, what is the double of 387? 387 ka double, that means 760, 760 plus 14, that means 774. 74. By putting what number we can go up to here? I think by putting 3 times it will go beyond, 2 times is enough, I think so. So now 7742 into 2, that's enough. So 4 2s are 8, 14. So now 7 2s are 14, 15,584. If I'll check once 3 also. 7743. So 9, 12. 7 3s are 21 plus 2, 22. Again 2 here. 7 3s are 21 plus 2, that is equal to 23. So 23,200 it is going beyond, so I am going for 2 times only. So 2 times. So 20, what is coming as 15,484. So that is 6. This is 1, and again I am borrowing it here. So 10 minus 0, 10 minus 4, 6, 2, again I am borrowing it here. 12, 12 minus 7, 7. So 0, that is okay. So 7616, 15,000. Yes, there is a gap of 7,000. So my dear friends, if you want to continue, you can further continue by putting 2 zeros, but my answer is 38.72. Up to 2 number sensitivity I have found. The square root for 1500, non-perfect square number 1500 is 38.72, because I can clearly see, because 35 whole square, if you write 35 whole square is 1225, and if you take 40 square it is coming as 1600. 35, so definitely it should be in between 35 and 40 only, because 1225, 1500 is in between 1225 and 1600. So obviously everything is coming as correct approximately. So the square root of a non-perfect square number 1500 is 38.72. This is how we find the square root of a non-perfect square number by using long division method.